दूसरा जत्था भारतीयों का यहाँ से भारत की ओर रवाना हो रहा है। उस बस में हम आपको दिखाना चाहेंगे। अभी 3 बसें यहाँ से निकल रही हैं जो ईरान से होते हुए जॉर्डन जाएंगी और जॉर्डन के बाद से ये लोग भारत की ओर रवाना होंगे। सर, काम का सिलसिला होगा कब वापस आने का?
जैसे ही खत्म हो गया वापस आ जाएंगे।
एक तरफ जहां से ईरान की तरफ से मिसाइल्स आ रही हैं, इजराइल भी अपने आप को डिफेंड करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, वहीं आप देख सकते हैं ये दरवाजे बंद हो रहे हैं। और सबसे बड़ी बात है, ये दरवाजे उस रास्ते के लिए बंद हो रहे हैं जो इन भारतीयों को, जो दूसरा जत्था भारतीयों का यहाँ से भारत की ओर रवाना हो रहा है। उस बस में हम आपको दिखाना चाहेंगे। अभी 3 बसें यहाँ से निकल रही हैं जो ईरान से होते हुए जॉर्डन जाएंगी और जॉर्डन के बाद से ये लोग भारत की ओर रवाना होंगे। भारतीय हैं यहाँ पे, काफ़ी ज़्यादा परिवार से भी फ़ोन कॉल्स आ रहे होंगे कि क्या स्थिति है, किस तरह के हालात बने हुए हैं, उसको लेकर के अभी भारतीय वापस जा रहे हैं। मैम, बहुत सारे फ़ोन आ रहे होंगे घर से, सबसे ज़्यादा टफ तो वही होगा।
हाँ।
बम के धमाकों ज़्यादा, फ़ोन कॉल ज़्यादा।
हाँ।
कैसा रहा?
सही बात है। हाँ, अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है और इंडियन एम्बेसी हमको हेल्प कर रही है, तो अच्छा है।
सर, काम का सिलसिला होगा कब वापस आने का सोचा है?
जैसे ही खत्म हो गया वापस आ जाएंगे। जैसे भी जरा इजी हो गया। होपफुली अभी अमेरिका ने जो बम्बार्डिंग किया है, होपफुली जल्दी आना होगा।
मैम, वापस आने का कब सोचा है?
As soon as possible. We feel safe, it's not a problem. But of course, everybody is panicked more in India, probably because of the news and of course the situation. They don't really see it. So as soon as things get better, we are definitely coming back.
बिल्कुल, हम उनको इंतजार नहीं करवाएंगे। जाहिर सी बात है, ये दूसरा जत्था जो है वो यहाँ से निकल रहा है और हम कोशिश करेंगे कि और भी लोगों के से बात कर सकें। ये 3 बसें हैं जो जॉर्डन की तरफ से होके जाएंगी। जो दूसरा एक और जो लॉट निकलेगा वो तकरीबन 8 साढ़े 8 के बजे लोकल टाइम के हिसाब से यहाँ से निकलेगा। और आप देख सकते हैं ये भारतीय जत्था इजराइल से भारत की ओर रवाना हो चुका है। While Iran still continues to bomb Israel, and Israel has once again retaliated with the air forces where the bombs have been brought on the ground before it could hit any of the target here on Sunday. The Indian evacuation mission is still on. This is the second batch of Indians which will be going back to the country through Jordanian border. The second batch of Indians will be going from the Egypt border, but certainly this is an important development which is happening with respect to all the Indians who were here. We will try to go and talk to those Indian nationals. This is the second batch of Indians who are going back to their home with the family members, and certainly this is a sign of relief for them. So how do you feel you're going back to your country, and
Yeah.
when they plan to come back?
Yeah, we feel okay. After the finish the war, we will come back again. Yeah.
So once the war is over, you will try to come back.
Yeah, sure. Because we are living here, we are working here, so we will come back again.
It must have been a horrific experience but people here are generally very calm. They hear the siren and they go back, which is not there in our country. So what are the experiences which you are taking back home?
It's very safe country, very safe. Just you have to listen to the government, the precautions you have to take, whatever, and that's it. We don't feel scared over here. Yeah.
You must have been getting fanatic calls from your family members.
A lot. Just because of that pressure we have.
So that's what the scene is there. Young people going back home, came here for work. What could have been the memories which you are taking back home, and when are you planning to come back?
We are planning to come back as soon as the war gets over and we get back to work, because we are living here and working here in the diamond business. So it's pretty safe here, but the relatives and the parents are super worried. So we are going back and soon we'll be back to work.
Certainly. You have been here since how long?
15 years, my whole life.
15 years. You were born here.
No, I was born in India, but I came here one straight away after I was born.
What would have you told it to your friends when before going to India, or this is just a short visit?
No, I'm shifting into India anyway, so it was just a goodbye.
So certainly these are the passengers, the Indian nationals who are going back to India, but most of them who have been working here have been saying that it is their work. So certainly once the war gets over, they will be coming back to Israel because they feel that it is still a safe country, but because of the situation, since the family members back India are worried, they want to go there for the quite a short brief period and once again come back to their workplace. Priyank Tripathi reporting from Tel Aviv for the Times at Work.